Yo, what's up guys? I'm officially sponsored by Mishimoto, and I'm proud to say that I'm gonna be rocking their Miata Radiator and fan kit. I have gotten these dowels on eBay because I did forget to take them off the old radiator and I threw them away. Nice. And I replaced these bushings. So the dowels I just showed you are gonna sit in this little arm right here, this little rest. Make sure they're lined up because if not, your radiator would be crooked, lopsided. And now it sits in perfectly. So I ended up getting similar sized bolt. The new one's a little bit longer, but it's fine. It's gonna go straight through. All right, so just a reminder, top bolt, and then the dowels at the bottom onto the little arm or bracket. The hose for the 13B, I believe it was 1 inch and 3/8, and then for the Miata radiator is 1 inch and 1/8. And I thought they were the same, but they're not. Also, the tube or the send is all the way over here when I need it over here. So I had called Mishimoto. I asked them if I could send it to them and they could modify it. They said no, but I could send it to a welder that welds on aluminum and they won't void the warranty as long as the stuff that breaks isn't part of what was modified. So that's pretty good.
3 days later.
Got the radiator back and I had gotten the tubes a little bit bigger because the Miata one was I think like 1 1 1/8 and like the RX-7s is like 1 1/2 inches or something like that. But now they fit. Dude, it looks like Mishimoto made it like that. It looks brand new. It looks pretty sick. Looks nice. Let's get that view of the bottom one right there. And then the plate should be somewhere around here. That was covered up from the old, there we go, the old line. I got some generic hoses from Summit Racing. I believe I needed a 90 instead of a 45, so I'll just get a 90. And this one should be fine with 45. I'm just gonna have to cut it a little bit short, like around here, so that way it'll fit that pipe all the way down there.